Hi everyone, I'm Vishagam, a final year engineering student in Ames University. RF and microwave electronics is one of the subjects in my degree program. I have designed and developed a low noise microstrip amplifier using high electron mobility transistor and surface mount devices. Upon completion of this mini project, I have a very clear understanding on how to design an amplifier circuit using simulation software. I also able to fabricate the actual board of the microstrip amplifier. I have a very good experience in assembly hand soldering. This will definitely help me to perform confidently in future career. Thank you.
Hello all, my name is Jikok. I'm the final year student from the Faculty of Engineering and Computer Technology at Ames Universities. RF and microwave electronics is one of the courses I'm taking in my final sems. In this course, I learned the principle of RF and microwave electronic circuit design, test and optimizations. I'm also able to apply the knowledge which I learned in the class to solve the problem related to RF and microwave electronics. In this course, I'm also provided a chance to design a low noise amplifier by using advanced design system software and simulate the result of the amplifier. The design amplifier is then fabricated on the circuit board and measure the result of the amplifier by using the network analyzer in the labs. From this project, I gained the extra practical knowledge such as the technique used to solder the component of amplifier, which is very small, and the fabrication skill. I also learned the characteristic principle and the application of low noise amplifiers. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sam.
I'm Jia from Ames University. We are last 5 years student for electronic and electrical engineering. We currently taking one subject called RF and microwave electronics.
So in this subject, we got learn how many knowledge about the RF electronic. So we learn how to fabricate the RF thing, and we also learn how to soldering the surface mounted component, and we also know how to using the ADS for simulation.
The knowledge that we have gained will definitely help us in our future. We will build our confidence before into an industry. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Douglas. I'm a final year student. So, in RF and microwave electronic course, it is divided into two sections. It is divided into examinations and coursework. So, for our coursework, we are divided into three parts, which is assignments, our midterm, and our mini project. So, for this course, I have made a beam steering antenna with just RF switch and dual band antenna using RF switch, and we also learned how to present it to people through our presentation. So from the presentation, we are required to present in front of a crowd, and it helps us to develop our communication skills with the people that are not from our faculty. From everything I've learned in RF and microwave electronics, I believe these skills are very important and useful for me when I stepping into the industry, especially those related to RF and microwave. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Gaur and I'm a final year student from Electrical and Electronics from Ames University. So the most impressive thing that I get it from the end is about I can learn the theory and implement my knowledge into the mini project. So an example is my mini project that I did it in RF and microwave electronics. We did it ourselves, and from A to Z it fabricated and measured by the industrial analyzer provided by Ames University. And we presented our project to the others through the poster. And as a professional engineer, this is the preparation before that we step into the industry. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Liu. From this course, what I have learned is not only the theory and also calculation parts, but also the practical parts from the mini project and the labs I've done. Like for example, amplifier, power divider, and also this oscillator I made. So for example, this oscillator is my mini project. So I've learned that what I should prepare and what I should know before I do this project, and also how to do it and what the result I should get from this circuit. And for the poster presentation part, I know that how should I present my idea or my work to other people in short and also clear. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sun Wei. I am from MUSD. After attending this course, I acquired many technical knowledge about RF system. And this course also offers laboratory works and mini projects. So from this mini project, I fabricate this RF amplifier, and then I have faced many technical challenges such as PCB fabrication, to get the accuracy of this trace, and then get the right component for this amplifier. And then aside from the technical challenge, I also feel that time management is very important so that I can complete this project in time. And then communication skill also important so that I can share with experience with my friends, and then we can do the discussion and then solve the problem together. And in conclusion, I feel that this course is a very challenging course, and then it prepared me for the industrial is related to RF. That's all from me.
Hi there, I'm from final year 4 student of MD University. Before I introduce this subject, let me ask you, how the radio station transmit your favorite song to the radio and your handheld device? Why the TV has so much a channel to let you to choose? And how the headphone works? So, at here, MD University has offered you RF and microelectronics that will teach you all of these things. So, in this subject, I learned what is RF, how RF transmit wireless or in a fabricated board. So, here in this subject, I do an oscillator. What is oscillator? Oscillator is a device that convert the DC into an RF signal. So, if you feel interest and for more information, please join us. Thank you.